Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a SteelSeries Prime Plus mouse and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting if this mouse is not working for some reason, like it is not connecting or it seems to be lagging or choppy or anything like that where it's bugging or not working right. A factory reset can fix a lot of those issues. The second reason is if you want to set this up on a new computer or something like that and you just want to wipe all the settings off of it, all your CPI settings, everything like that. So you can go ahead and just set this up like it's brand new coming out of the box. It's real easy. We're just going to access the menu on the OLED screen here by pressing and doing a long hold on this button to open the menu. Once we do that, we are going to use the wheel on the other side. We're just going to scroll the wheel through the menu options, and we are going to scroll down to the fifth option, which is the options menu on the wheel. And then once on the wheel, we're going to hit the wheel to select that. Now, if you make a mistake and you need to go back, you can just tap the menu button. That'll take you back one step. But anyways, we're going to roll the wheel to the options button and then touch the wheel, push down on the wheel to select the options menu. And then from there, we're going to roll down to the fourth option, which is the factory reset option. Again, we're going to hit the wheel to select factory reset. Once we factory reset it, then we can go ahead and set this mouse up like a brand new mouse.